you all for joining. Today is the first insight session of the Purpose Foundation and Hack for Purpose of first edition 2024. So we're very, very happy to have you all here. And first of all, congratulations, a big round of applause to all of you to finish the technical sessions and the domain sessions. So I am very, very proud that you have gone through all of this, and we are so how do I put it, very pumped for the other sessions that is going to come up, and also looking forward to your cooperation and support. So this insight session has been planned out because we would have to again put all that learnings to action. So we are going to take all that we learned from the technical sessions and fine tune your ideas to get them to action, right? Whatever we're going to take as an idea to the minimal viable product. We have gone through all the technical trainings. So we are going to discuss what is the current status of your idea or product or prototype, and what are the next steps that we're going to do. One on one, we're going to call for each team and discuss. So this is the premise of today. As always, Yerkai Tune with Nature's Blessings, we're going to start. And myself, Desika Prabhakar, the founder and director of the Purpose Foundation. And Lakshmi is here to take care of all the recordings and give me some positive energy, our COO. So welcome. Can you give me a brief about your project? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. We are developing, cultivating the mushrooms from the waste sources like cow dung and also a corn flat, ma'am. We are preparing them and then we are also focusing on the vertical farming methods, ma'am. We are implementing them in the vertical farming and then cultivating the mushroom, and we are process them and also sell them in the value ordered products, ma'am. This is our main focus here, ma'am. We are working on the business development, ma'am. This is our main motive, ma'am.
Okay, so what is the current stage of your product? Have you already prepared and made the product?
Ma'am, we are not already prepared the product, ma'am. We are focusing on preparing the bed, ma'am. We currently collected the substrate and sterile them, and we are focusing on the creating the bed, ma'am. And also we are focusing on the vertical farming. So we are creating the vertical setup in our laboratory, and then we are focusing on cultivating the mushroom, ma'am. We are currently working on the problem solving, ma'am. What are the problems are have been come to us? So pre-planning the problems and solve the problems, ma'am. We are reaching the already existing mushroom cultivation places, ma'am. Then we are seeing what they are doing, and we also planning according to it, ma'am.
According to it. Okay, so why did you come up with this idea, or how did you come up with this idea?
Ma'am, Mitra is a main motive of this idea, ma'am. Mitra will speak, ma'am. Mitra.
Yes, Mitra. Please tell us
Hi,
why
ma'am.
you. Yes, hi. How did you come up with this idea, or why you come up with this idea?
Ma'am, to reduce the native agro waste only, I come up with this idea, ma'am.
So you want to
In our
utilize the
areas,
waste.
yes, ma'am. In our area, there are lot of agro wastes, ma'am. That like a corn stack, ma'am. So
Corn
and
starch.
also, yes,
Corn
ma'am.
starch. What?
Yes, ma'am. Is
Corn stalk?
nothing, ma'am. That means a corn stem, ma'am.
Corn stem. Stalk. Ah, okay, got it.
Yes, ma'am. And the cow dung, ma'am.
Cow dung. Okay,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am. The cow dung contains more carbon content to grow mushroom, ma'am. When we both combine, we get a high quantity nutrient mushroom, ma'am. So only
Okay, so this is the reason you got. But cow dung already has a lot of very rich application. So we can't really consider that as a waste, don't you think? Like that is a very rich source widely used. But corn stalk, I agree. But why did you use this combination? Is there any reason you did some research that this combination is very good for mushroom cultivation? Is it like that? Did you do some research on it?
yes, ma'am. The cow dung contains more nutrient, ma'am. When we combine with that stem, it's more that it's more give nutrient content to grow mushroom, ma'am.
Okay, so have now only you are preparing the bed with this sort of a mixture, and you're trying to grow the mushroom. Now only you have not already done this before, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So how do you know that this will increase the cultivation or growth? It will reduce the time of the growth of mushrooms. Like, how do you know this? Have you done some?
Differentiate from the conventional
Yes.
methods.
How is
Ma'am,
this like? going to be faster, or what is the benefit of using this method?
Ma'am, to reduce the plastic waste, ma'am. First thing to reduce the plastic waste and regenerate the use of vertical method, ma'am.
What
There are
plastic waste? Where is plastic waste?
yes, ma'am. By how the
Ma'am, using the bag methods, they are creating a lot of plastic waste, ma'am. So we are replacing the vertical farming method, ma'am. So by using the vertical farming method, it is a one-time setup. We can use over for the few years, ma'am. This is our main motive, ma'am. And one more thing, Mitra, why it is started means her native is near Palani, ma'am. So her place is cultivating the mushroom. She is grown in this place, and in his childhood, she's seen many mushroom cultivation areas, ma'am. She missed out, ma'am. So this,
So they are using plastic bags for cultivating mushroom now.
ah,
yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
You want to replace it with just mix of the corn stalk and the cow dung.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, not only a cow dung and corn stock, we are also focusing on the other substrates also, ma'am. Um, then we are focusing on the other substrate. Once we find out the rich substrate, ma'am, then we are also using the alternative for the cow dung, ma'am, as its carbon source, ma'am. Our main source is corn flour, ma'am. Then we are replacing the cow dung also, ma'am.
So this corn stalk, is there a lot of corn cultivation in the area, or like what is the where do you get this corn stalk?
Ma'am, corn flour is such a waste, ma'am. It is created from the all the corn production areas, ma'am. So we can collect them, and then we can use powder them, and we can use as a bed, ma'am.
That's what I'm asking. Where, which areas are cultivating higher number of corn? Like in your south areas, is there like, because see, you need your sourcing also figured out, right? You need continuous sourcing. Cow dung is okay, that's another problem. But the corn stock, where is the corn? We have more rice, paddy, all this cultivation. Where is the cultivation of corn higher? In which region? I'm asking.
Ma'am, the region without water, ma'am. Dry areas are cultivating the corn stalks. Corn,
That's
ma'am.
what in our Tamil Nadu. Which area? Did you
Ma'am,
look into
Dindigul
that?
district,
Ma'am,
Different
Salem
district.
and
Dindigul,
yes,
Tirupur, Salem, the dry places, dry areas, ma'am.
yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, so you have done some research. Okay, so now you
Yes,
are not yet sure that this cultivation will be, better using this. You are not sure of that. You have to test it, correct?
ma'am. Already some research are done, ma'am. So we are implementing them, and also we are innovating them in innovative mixture, ma'am. So in the compositions, that is our innovation. So we can prove them, ma'am. It is one of the viable method.
Okay, so which year are you all in currently? Both of you, all of
Ma'am,
you?
we are,
Huh?
ma'am, me and Mitra third year, ma'am, and Samyuta is second year, ma'am.
Third year. Okay, so third year, which course you're studying?
Ma'am, we three are biotechnology, ma'am.
Very good, biotechnology. Okay. So, what is your interest after you want to go for a job? You want to start up a company? What's your interest?
Ma'am, I am currently pursuing a business, ma'am. I am a full-time entrepreneur, ma'am, and Mitra want to study abroad, ma'am, and also we focusing on the businesses. Her motive also starting a business, ma'am. Samyuta also want to pursue higher studies and abroad, and also she's also willing in the business, ma'am.
Okay, so do you want to go finish your higher studies, then side by side develop product, then come and start business here, or you want to now itself start the business and it's okay if you go abroad also, you want to still manage it? What is your plan?
Ma'am,
We still
we
manage.
will manage, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am not going to study, ma'am, so I will manage, and my teammate also manage, ma'am. They will support us, ma'am.
Pragdish, what business are you doing currently?
Currently I am doing no tailoring business, ma'am, like e-commerce tailoring and blouse designing, ma'am.
Very
And
nice.
still I am not, yes, ma'am. I also working on the company name Embracer as a business development executive, ma'am. I conducted several meetings also, ma'am, and it's my starting phase, ma'am. So
You
once
you
I
are doing
enter,
you are doing designs, or do you do the, like, what is your interest? Designing is your interest, artwork
ma'am,
is your interest. What is your
Ma'am, I
interest?
am managing the business, ma'am, not
Just managing. You
any
don't
art
do.
and yes, ma'am. Yeah,
Okay.
I
Just
don't do anything, ma'am. My
is this like your family
mom is
business
of
or
tailoring.
your own
Mom
No,
business?
is doing that.
ma'am, mom
Your
is
mom is
tailoring.
into this. Okay,
So,
so you're
Nice.
so
supporting your mom.
yes,
Okay.
ma'am. This is for my mom.
Very nice. That is very good.
Ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now I understood. Okay, so guys, see, I think you have something good, but there needs to be, research. Like if you have done your research, can you write up a short, brief about the papers which you studied? Maybe put the reference papers in a drive. Put whatever you have, learned from those papers. Cite or just copy paste that. Like you don't have to sit and write some essay and all. We just want to know like what is already out there, recent papers, old papers, whatever it is, and your other mushroom cultivation mix, mushroom cultivation accelerator mix or special mix or pre-mix or like this, whatever mixture is there. Did you study your competition? Currently what are there, any chemicals or fertilizer, whatever it is, they are your competitors. Whoever is helping mushroom cultivation is your competitor. So did you make a list of these people, what products they're selling, what is the price they're selling at?
Ma'am, ma'am, we collected the prices, ma'am, around Salem and Thindikkal, around this place, ma'am. Around we are focusing on the oyster and button mushrooms, ma'am. They are selling them around 1 kg as likely 400 to 500 per kg, ma'am. So we are yes, ma'am. So we are focusing on the reducing the cost. So then only we are focusing on these kind of substrate, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So Mitra, Bragdish, and your team, Samyukta, what I would say
Yes.
is,
Samyukta, yes,
Samyukta, yeah, what I would say is just prepare one document where
yes, ma'am.
you put this citations, like the current source where you have taken Google Scholar, whatever, where they have done mushroom cultivation using the corn stalk or using cow dung, all this combination, what results they have achieved. You prepare one Excel, just put copy paste the points. Don't waste too much
Yes.
time. Take from the abstract, copy paste point, whichever you have referred, which you referred. Second sheet,
Okay.
put the calculation that you came up with for your product. That is like, I am buying corn stock. It will be a price. Now they'll give for free, but they will charge when you buy quantities, right? So then if you are buying corn stock, if it is 10 rupees per kg, whatever, if survey that, take that costing, put your cow dung costing, all of this, then come up with your material. Like for mushroom cultivation, this is for 100 kg, this much, this is the cost, something like that. Okay, so come up with the cost calculation.
And also the
Then,
lab requirements also we need to include. So how many
yes,
days
yes,
it will take?
correct, exactly.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Correct point. So next thing, you come up with your competitor price points. Not only just the like if the same product, but any, as I told you, anything used for mushroom cultivation. What is the price point? Okay, there will be something that they use locally. Also, they just mix some sawdust or something and use also. Like you should, like Mitra is there, seen the mushroom cultivation, so you should understand what all they are doing, right?
Yes.
So that competition list, prepare that one. Like at least 10 you have to take, at least 10 in your local area at least. If not India fully, just in and around Tamil Nadu. Then, like Lakshmi said, what are the testing parameters for the mushrooms? Like what do you estimate? Because with that only we can tell if your product is good or not. Some measurement parameter we need, like this growth is this rate or this whatever is the measuring parameter. Nutrient content is rich, something like that, right? You will have some parameters. So what are the testing parameters? So this, all of this, you make it into one simple Excel and then share it to us. Then we will sit and review that with specific expert for this, and then come up with the next step. This is the first thing, right? From the technical aspect, this is what your product needs. Other than that, I think you have very good clarity. You want to make affordable, something that can accelerate the growth of mushrooms. You are very clear about your product. There is no doubt over there. Okay, so no problem, no thing there. Your team is good. You have good vision, everything. The next one thing I want to talk to you about is only your aspect of the company that you're talking about. See, it is one thing to start company, but it's also important that you sustain the company and you have to completely like it's a full-time thing. It's like having a baby, right? It's not a just a starting company and going. So now you're in college, and then you're going to go abroad and study. Means abroad life itself is completely different, and you have to go and take that experience also. Nothing wrong, okay? You go there, you take that experience, you gain your knowledge, improve your skills on research, then you come back, you do your research here. That is good. But starting company then going there is not a generally not a very good idea. So I am just telling that I'm suggesting, right? Because I also did biotechnology. Lakshmi also did biotechnology. We both are having that background. She also wanted to do abroad, but she studied here in Anna University. Then she's now we are working on this and as well as industry projects also. So I also wanted to do studies abroad, but I was more interested in entrepreneurship. So studying abroad is not at all necessary for doing entrepreneurship. That much I understood, or research from personal. I'm telling only my personal thing. I'm telling, okay, because it was a lot of loans, very personal. I'm telling you, okay, it was a lot of money, a lot of loans that you have to repay, and it's a huge burden from financial point of view. Everything is there, okay. So once you think about these things, you are ready to do it. Then if you are taking the loans, then you will think about job. Immediately you will not get revenue in the company. It will take some time. Definitely you will get it, but
Yes,
it
ma'am.
will take some time. So if you are going to do that, you have to also support your parents to pay the loan. It's not that you took the loan, they paid. It's not generally good to do that also, I would suggest, right? So if you are thinking about all of this, now starting a company might not be the ideal thing to do unless you have someone really very, very serious to full time take care of it after your college, right? Or you are in your third year, you said, no? So do you want to do the same project for your final year? You have some other idea?
We have some other idea for final year
What
project, ma'am.
topic? What is that topic?
Ma'am, I'm doing bioinformatics side, ma'am.
Bioinformatics. Okay, that's also very good. Designing and all of that. That's also very good. So you are interested to do in bioinformatics, your final year
Yes, ma'am.
project. Okay. Along with the same team, you guys, or you all doing different projects?
Different
We are
project, ma'am.
different projects, ma'am.
What about you, Pragdishwaran? What do you want to do?
Ma'am, I am currently not decided my final year project, ma'am. I am also working on some other projects also, ma'am, currently. So,
What other
then,
topics you are working on?
ma'am, I've already attended some meeting like by MedTech and so and web development, ma'am. That's my project is creating a nutrigenomic profile, ma'am, for the specific person, ma'am.
Neutrogenomic.
Yes, ma'am. That
Okay.
nutrigenomic profile for a specific person with a novel approach like using the genomic and microbiome and biochemical data, ma'am. Combining them, and we give the nutritional diet and also we give the lifestyle for them to pursue their lifetime, ma'am. Improve their
Okay.
lifetime and without
Right.
taking a disorder disease, ma'am.
Right. Okay. See, Pragdishwaran, Mitra, as well as Samyukta, what I am suggesting to you guys is, see, I think you have a very good team, and you guys have some good amount of like really good passion to do something. I can see that. Okay. But the only thing is that I think you are all personally, again, personal experience. I'm telling you, you're doing a lot of things, right? You're doing a lot of things. If you remember in group also, I've shared one picture. If you keep putting you take 10 vessels, keep pouring little in each vessel, nothing will get filled. So one vessel we have to focus and pour. But since you are students, you can explore. That is the good thing to do. You can explore. But when you go to your final year project and when you go to a company, there is not much scope to explore over there. When you go there, you should go with a single focus only. You can't do higher studies as well as then come and do the company. It is too much burden on you also, and then you will also not be able to enjoy your life. This is something you should do very happily, like starting company, all of this. It should be a happy journey. It should not become a burden for you or your family, all of this. So from personal experience, and my suggestion is that you guys come up with something which you are very serious about for your final year project, okay, which can potentially even become a company even if you go study abroad, like how Pragdish is saying. you are developing a profile with your genomics data, all of this. You can take this as a vanilla project. You can even do higher studies if you want, and then convert this into technology and then make a company out of it also. That is having very good scope, like this sort of thinking. In the sense, I'm giving example that if you develop this, then I can make it into a company. That would be better. But when you look into higher studies, then you choose which is of your very very high interest. Like bioinformatics is my highest interest, means I want to develop a technology and do research in bioinformatics and develop a company in bioinformatics. How many people are doing that? There are very very few people in biotech, especially women in this industry. In this, very 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 few, right? Very very few. So if you are really interested to do the company, this is not just a side business where you small time you start selling fertilizer. It takes a lot of effort and time to actually make the product, get the product certified, get it to tested by the people, and then only the people will start buying. This itself will take some amount of time, and you need full-time dedication for this. So what I am suggesting is come up with one idea that you are very very sure of, right? That you want to do this. If you just want to develop this fertilizer for now, then next 3 months and sell it off to somebody, then that is completely fine, right? You can sell it to some other company as a technology, as a what they call it, as a some know-how or a technology, and they can for some amount, and we can just you can move on with your project and higher studies, and then come up with a company particular to your interest. You can do that also. Or if you are very interested in this, and I am sure, ma'am, no matter what, I want to set up this company, I want to do the mushroom fertilizer, means if you're very very sure, then decide what type of company, who's
Ma'am,
going to run it. Yeah.
we are very, very sure, ma'am. In few months, we are going to start our business, ma'am. We are before 1 month, before 1 year, we are decided about this, ma'am. Then after, we are approaching the D for Purpose Foundation in the competition, ma'am. Then we are selected, and we are now here, ma'am. This is our motive, ma'am. Me and Mitra are working on this, ma'am. From last year, ma'am. Currently, slowly, we build some research, ma'am. Then we are focusing on starting a startup in a few months, ma'am. This is our main motive, ma'am. Our main motive is starting a business and generating the revenue. Then we are fulfilled our life, ma'am. This is our main
Okay.
motive.
Okay. So even if Mitra and Samyukta are not here, you will be taking care of the business. Is that okay for you? When they go for higher studies and all of that, I'm saying. So,
Ma'am, from my side, my father will take care of it, ma'am.
your father will
My
take care of
father
it.
and Peggy will take care, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, good. So you are actually very, very serious. You are sure that you want to do this company, even though you do higher studies, even though all of this, you're very, very sure.
Yes, ma'am, we are sure, ma'am. Doing our
And
business, ma'am.
the most important part is, see, it's very good to think positive, all of this, but are you okay even if it takes some time to reach your revenue stage? If it takes some, some little bit of lagging, little bit of certain things are there. Are you prepared to face all of this?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, whatever, losing or gaining, it's not a matter, ma'am. We have to try it and we have to sustain on that field, ma'am. So we're highly focusing only on that, ma'am. Now our complete focus is to start a business and to make it as a success point. And before that, we are planning to achieve it, ma'am. So we are taking all our milestone steps to achieve our what to say to the goal, ma'am. And we'll
Yes.
do our level best always, ma'am.
Very, very good. That's actually, I don't know what to say. It's very difficult to find teams like this. So I'm very, very proud. I think we are really, really proud that we have a chance to support you guys. So why I'm asking all of this is you would have seen these sessions, how to start up, how to Danda. We did all these sessions. You would have seen entrepreneurship is not a simple journey. It takes some time to validate your product. To the customers might always not understand you. A lot of things are there. But this, as you said, no, it's okay if we fail also, ma'am. We just want to try. That thought should be there till the last. Then definitely you will do it. No problem at all. Because see, personally, myself, Lakshmi, when we are in the business, all of that, a few months, even till today, we don't get orders also. 2-3 months, we don't get orders for the machines, right? Even though the company is like 10 years old, we have 3-4 years experience of running it. Sometimes it's very, very difficult to go through that 1 month, because you have to pay the salaries to the people. It's not at all easy. Even for the NGO, we lose out some people. Like it's very heartbreaking sometimes. But the only thing is, that passion, that vision you have, like, okay, I want to do this, I want to do this product, I want to do this, I want to build this company. That is what will get you through the whole thing. Even if it fails, you're ready to, okay, I'm going to close this, I will start something later. Should be able to accept it. You should not okay, I'm going to stop, I tried and I failed. That would not be ideal. So that's why we are sharing our personal experience with you guys. But I see that you are a very, very fantastic team, and you have very good ambition. You're working in your domain of biotechnology only, so that also, even if you start a general company, like a general technology company, biotechnology company, tomorrow you can make other products also, not only the fertilizer. You can sell all different products, different technologies, so that will be very good for your team. So I think you guys are really, really good. And I don't know, I became a little emotional. I don't know what to say, because I didn't expect Samyukta she was very silent from
It
the
was
start, and
motivating for
suddenly,
us as well.
yeah, it was really motivating for us.
And she
Actually,
always motivate us also, ma'am.
this is very, very
Yes,
good,
ma'am.
very good, Samyukta. It's not easy, because I
For
was like, okay,
second
I
year,
thought she's very,
especially
for second
second year,
year, yes.
much clarity is good.
I've gone to we have gone to so many competitions, so many things. I have never seen such good amount of passion and clarity from second year. So very, very proud of Samyukta actually, and both of you are the whole team, Mitra's organization, Samyukta. What we will do is, as I said, prepare this Excel for us, right? We'll finalize
Okay, ma'am.
and get your product package ready for market, sort of a goal within this next 2.5 months to 3 months. The goal is to make the product to that stage where we can sell it. We are seeing some results, we have some feedback, all of this. So prepare that Excel which I asked you with the because those scientific papers only we can show them also. When we show to some people, like, see, there is research, right? That, and then we can do our research, the R testing, and then our validated lab testing, the price points, what is the result you are getting after the growth, and what you need for it, the funds, the budget, what you need for it. This around 7 sheets in one Excel. You just put roughly, just start writing whatever you know. Okay, send it to us. We'll sit with one person who has already did the fertilizers, who has this experience. Then we will
Ma'am,
get started.
one thing,
Okay.
we are not
Ma'am, we
creating
started
a
fertilizer.
fertilizer.
Whatever product that what do you want to call it?
Mushroom
Ma'am, bed preparation, ma'am.
Sorry.
Bed preparation for mushroom cultivation, ma'am.
We are selling the
Okay.
mushrooms, ma'am.
mushroom, but
Directly you want to sell the mushroom. You don't want to sell this a mix of the corn or stock, like, as to for anybody who's cultivating.
No, ma'am.
I mean like substrate
No, ma'am.
You want to
No,
grow
ma'am.
the
We are
mushroom,
not
and you want to
selling
sell
that.
mushroom.
Yes, ma'am. We are selling the mushroom.
Fertilizer also, ma'am.
I
Ma'am,
thought you were
finally, we
making
are.
the fertilizer to grow mushroom faster. That's what you're making, right?
Yes, ma'am.
or that
Yes,
bed
ma'am.
kind of thing you want to sell.
What do you want to
Yes,
sell?
yes, ma'am.
You want to sell fertilizer, you want to sell mushroom cultivation equipment, you want to sell mushroom. 3 different things.
Maybe they need to
We want to sell the mushrooms, ma'am, in a processed manner also, and in a fresh mushrooms, ma'am.
Ma'am, we thought
Selling
like
the
that mushroom, ma'am, fresh mushroom, dry mushroom, that means frozen mushroom, and tea powder. The mushroom tea
Powdered
powder,
mushroom.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. For making tea, ma'am.
Tea
In
okay,
abroad,
tea powder.
in
Okay.
abroad there
So
are
you
lots
want to
of mushroom
basically
tea
have
powder, ma'am.
different products in mushroom, different products, correct? Like powder,
Yes, ma'am.
fertilizer,
yes,
selling
ma'am.
fresh mushroom powder, everything.
I think once
Yes,
if they
ma'am.
start
Yes,
doing after they yield they can finalize what they want to.
No, because yes, you are right. But if you are selling mushroom, then your target is different. I have to connect you with different people, because you have to connect you with the people who are selling fresh vegetables, fresh we produce. You can sell it to them; they will sell it to the customer, right? You don't need to directly sell customer. You can sell bulk the mushrooms to the vendors, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That
We
you
are
can do.
focusing on B2B.
B2B,
We are
correct,
focusing on
exactly.
B2B and
You can
B2C
sell B2B.
also in
If
some.
it is mushroom, it is
Yes, ma'am.
B2B. If it is mushroom powder tea, then it is to customer. That is B2C, right? You are
D2C.
selling to customer. That is different. Then fertilizer also again B2B. Whoever is cultivating mushroom, you can sell it to them, right? That is different audience. Then I should connect you with the cultivators, with the farming community. So all have different target audience. So you choose one first, one thing. Choose one thing first. Then only we can help you, right?
Okay.
Choose one thing for first thing. You choose one. Then we can add the products. Ma'am, I want to sell the fertilizer to
Okay.
everybody who's making mushroom. Then we will connect with that business to business people. No, I want to make mushroom and I want to sell fresh mushroom, high quality mushroom. I even want to export mushroom. Means we can connect you with that people. You understand? Like
Okay,
that.
ma'am.
So come
We
up
will
with that.
discuss on
Export
it.
the mushroom.
You prepare this document and share it with us. Whatever you have so far. Put it in some sheet where we can track it. Like an Excel will help us track it and give some comments. Right? The research papers that you have studied, what is the final product, first product, priority product you want to sell, what is the price that you have arrived at, and what are the testing that is needed, the budget that is needed. You come up with this for us. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Then we will connect with the right people. What funds you need, we have to find that people, and B2B, we have to find that people. So then it will be correct. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, awesome. Any other
Okay, ma'am.
questions, doubts you have for us? Whatever you need, just you have the number in the group, right? You have our contacts, myself, Lakshmi. Anything you need, anytime you can ping us. Don't even worry about it. Okay? Whatever you need, feel free to message.
Okay. Ma'am, Pragi and me are both of in EDC club, ma'am. Entrepreneur club, ma'am.
Okay?
So, yes, when you get a free, just to get a workshop in your college, ma'am.
Definitely. See, you want online or offline, whatever you decide, okay?
Okay.
Then we can come and conduct one workshop for you guys for sure. Definitely, we can do that.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you so much, guys.